What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how to make a quick green seasoning. Yes guys, this one is very quick, simple and easy marinade you could use for every and anything. So let's get started. So here I have all the ingredients that I'll be using, and I will list everything that I use here down in the description box so you could go ahead and check it out. And feel free to add or take out what you don't like or add your favorite. So here I am just chopping up some green onion, otherwise called scallion. I'm going to just cut these up small enough so they can all fit in the food processor a little bit easier. And guys, if you have a blender, you could do it by blender too. I have a piece of ginger. And I'm just slicing it, just so, it can blend a little bit more easier and smoother, because we all know ginger is very fibrous. And here I have some green bell pepper. I'll be dicing these up into small pieces as well too. And of course here I have an onion. And I'm just going to cut this up into small pieces as well. And you know the rest. And guys, right on here, everything is self-explanatory. You could just look and follow along and just do as I do. Guys, while I was making this green season, I realized not everything is going to hold in one go. So I'll have to process it down a bit and then add the rest. But as you'll see as I go along, that's what I'll be doing. And here I'm cutting up my cilantro. And of course the good old scotch bonnet pepper. Now guys, if you don't like the heat, you could just leave this out completely, or if you want a little bit of spice, just use half. And the lemon, guys, you might ask why lemon. The lemon helps to preserve it and make sure it can last a longer period of time in your refrigerator. Or if you want, you could put these in some little cubes and freeze them as well. So the lemon acts as a preservative. And don't forget your garlic, guys. Now guys, when I go and buy garlic, I am so lazy to peel them every time, so I always peel them all at once and store them in my refrigerator. Let me know in the comment section if you do that as well. So here I'm going to add some fresh thyme. And of course I'm going to add some olive oil to make the blending process a bit more smoother. And also, when you add olive oil to your green seasoning, you don't have to add much when you're seasoning your meat. And to that I'm going to add some pimento berries as well. Now that it has processed halfway through, I'm just gonna add the rest of the seasoning and process it until I get a semi-smooth consistency. And guys, if you have reached this far and you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And just, if you want to see more amazing recipe like this one, just hit that subscription button and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my upload. And guys, thanks for always being here with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. And there you have it, guys. This is the consistency you want your green season to have. Now I'm just gonna store this in a airtight container and store it in my refrigerator, and this could last for a very long while in your refrigerator, guys. That's it, beautiful people. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye.